In this video tutorial, we're going to demonstrate how to convert this Illustrator file into a CMYK plus Neon Pink. And the Neon Pink, we're not just going to have the pink areas in Neon, we're also going to have this purpley violet colour. It can be reproduced with the Neon Pink, it's going to make it cleaner. And also the orange down here to make the oranges more vibrant. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the Touch 7 swatch palette, go to the Windows menu, Swatch Libraries, Touch 7 Spot Color Palette. If you've not already done so, download that from the Touch 7 website. You'll find it inside the members section. So click and add that, and it'll appear in your swatches. So you need to have your swatches window open. You should also have open your color window and also the appearance box as well for what we're doing in this demonstration. So you can see here we've added the color to the document. And if you look at the color box as well, I'm going to change that now to 0 and then click the new swatch. So that gives me a 100% pink and a 0% pink swatch in my document. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select my artwork, duplicate it, and then going to go to my layers, create a new layer, move it on there. Let's call this top one pink. Okay, so we just turn off the CMYK at the moment. So what I've done is just isolated that graphic. So this is going to be the pink separation. So select everything. This is all grouped. It's kind of handy. Go to the edit menu, edit colors, recolor artwork. And we're going to go to the advanced option. And we're going to change this into 2 color. But before we do so, just go to the settings box and make sure white and black tick boxes have been unselected. So we're going to change that to a 2 color file. This one that's selected at the moment, this color here, this top one, this is all the colors in the image, and then you've got this black and white box as well. So the black and white is the little tick boxes in here, if you remember. So this now allows us to be able to choose which colors we want to play around with. So I'm not going to change the yellow, so I can drag that into the bottom. Don't want to change that blue, all these greenish colors. And I really only want to affect the oranges, that violet that was in this kind of gradient, and the pinky reddy kind of colors. So with that done, click on this little box here at the end, click on foreground background color picker, color swatches, and then scroll down to the Touch 7 Neon Pink and click on OK. And then from the little flyout menu, go to preserve tints and click off. Okay. Next, on this bottom one here, select the little box here, foreground background color picker, color swatches, and set that to the neon pink at 0%, and then set that to exact. So what that's done is it's basically turned all the black and white areas plus all the different color groups we don't want to change into 0% pink, and all the colors that we do want to change to 100% pink, and it's basically set to respect the percentage of the color that's in there. Okay, you could also have it as scale tints. So if you scale tints, you'll see that the color will change. So this gradation will scale based on the hue and appearance of the color, rather than the amount of ink in there. So that's what I'm going to do for this one, is actually do it so that this becomes more of a natural orange. Click on OK. Now with it all selected, go to your appearance and go to the settings and change it to multiply. Okay, so that's our pink layer that's been created. Switch that off, switch on the CMYK. Now we need to select that element again on the CMYK layer, recolor the artwork again. So I'm going to the little keyboard shortcut at the top here, the little menu shortcut, advanced options. Now this is where we can then change the magenta in each one of these colors that we've affected. So this color here, I'm just going to drop out the magenta. This one I'm going to drop the magenta. We didn't change the yellow. We changed this violet color here. We changed these. You can see here the color in the artwork is all being changed. Click on OK. That's our CMYK layer. Switch back on your pink. Make sure your pink set to multiply. I must have deselected that by accident. And there you have it. Your artwork file converted using the Touch 7 Spot Color Palette, separating your design into CMYK plus pink. Really quick and easy way to convert that file. Do check our other videos and tutorials for tips and tricks on how to use the Touch 7 color system with your artwork files, either in Illustrator or in Photoshop. Thank you. Have a great day.